Alright, so welcome back to episode 10 of our $150 to $1,000 live trading account challenge. Today, here's how I lost $30 around trading the ES. And yeah, I got burned today, as you can see. It was poor kind of management in terms of taking my partials. There's a reason for that, but let's get into it here. So overall, not the best start to the new year we could have wanted, but not too mad about this trade. So first off, let's look at check up on the live account. You can see we're down 250. Not good looks, guys. We were up at, just a reminder, we were up at like 380, 370 or something. That was our all-time high, and we've dropped over $100 from now. So over the break, and this loss included, we had some pretty bad trading. So it's time to kind of figure it out and get ahead of ourselves. But in terms of this trade, again, a very similar day like yesterday, where we had this kind of appearing of high tide from SMT. As you can see, we were above these highs on ES. Not a high time for SMT. We had this big draw on liquidity here with these highs on NQ. I did not end up taking this partial trade, but yeah, we were kind of having these big highs being targeted here. So I was short the entire time, and I was just patient here. We were waiting. This long move was there, but then I just waited, and eventually I saw my model come into play here. We had our bearish move here. We had our inversion of the 5-minute gap over here. As you can see, we tapped into it again while retesting this equilibrium of this candle here. We tapped into that, and we had my 1-minute confirmation. Whoa, this fucking magnet, wait. Yeah, we had our confirmation there on the 1 minute as well. You can zoom it out so you can see. Confirmation within we had a retest and a continuation close below here. That's my confirmation right there to enter on the 1 minute. And here's what happened, okay? So, because I have to trade in school, I was kind of like doing an assignment, and the trade ended up going my direction. This was a section I planned to take partials around this fair value gap. As you can see, I marked it out as well. That was a plan where I'd take partials, and I was going to break even, obviously, because that's my take profit 1. Was going to be here, take profit 2 at this line, and take profit 3 at this line. So I was targeting all of this. What ended up happening was, because I was doing the assignment, like my teacher was like low-key annoying, I couldn't manage the position, so I ended up doing what I wanted. We would have hit our take profit 1, took some partials, and went break even. We would have ended up making profit on this trade. But unfortunately, just bad luck was on our side, and my teacher was kind of bugging me, so I couldn't manage my position at all. So we were right. We would have made profit, but we wouldn't have like totally made profit. We just stopped at a break even. We would have gone. We wanted to go all the way down here. We only went kind of not even halfway towards that. So, like, we were right. The model was good. We just couldn't manage the position properly due to unfortunate circumstances. But apart from that, I'm not even too mad about this trade. Good. Like, the model came in clutch here. Like, it was a good trade. I mean, we would have made some partials, but like, keep repeating myself because I don't really know what to say. But it's just unlucky. And apart from that, yeah, like these are back-to-back days where I've thought, in my opinion, not my opinion, but just like based off what I think, how I analyze, we had really bearish days, and we don't get that bearish move until a lot later. So that's just something I want to point out. Yesterday and today was like that. But overall, I'm gonna keep this video a little shorter today. But we lost $30 around on the live account, but we only because we got unlucky with this trade. We couldn't manage our position because our teacher was bothering us. But overall, not too mad about it. Our decision making was right. We were patient to wait. We had this big up move. We didn't enter. We were patient to wait, and we came back down. We entered because we couldn't manage our position. Apart from that, that's episode 10 of the $150,000 challenge. Probably gonna. I can't trade again tomorrow because I have an actual test. But my trade PM session, when I see how it goes, I'll probably post a model series video if I can't trade tomorrow. But apart from that, that's Maximus Trades out.